Take a look at these Hobart welding rods for a rod welder. Notice the different colors of fluxes on them. Start with those. Let's see, 312 plus stainless steel. Sort of a blue flux on the rod. Um, 3/32 size stainless steel, 316 rod. .312 rod. It's a sort of a beige colored flux, grayish beige. Here is an E6011, 1/16 of an inch size and diameter. E6011 is a deep penetrating rod and fast freeze rod. So you can weld vertical up or down easy with E6011. And here's the E6013, 5/64 of an inch. That's just one step bigger than a 1/16 of an inch. Wow. E6013, 1/16 of an inch. This is E7014, 1/16 of an inch. This is a mild penetrating welding rod. E7018, 1/16 of an inch. This is also a mild penetrating rod. So it penetrates, it's like medium penetration, like a E7014. It penetrates like halfway in, but a E6011 welding rod penetrates deeper than this E7018. It's 1/16 of an inch in size. if you notice, like, look where they at. All right, here's a E6013. This is E6013, 3/32 size rods. And unlike the Lincoln, these are like a reddish color. These have a reddish colored flux on them. All right, here's the 7018 AC, 3/32 size. So this is AC current only. Wow. They're like a light gray colored flux on it. So this is a cast iron right here. Cast iron Fonte, 3/32 size. And they have like a black flux on them. This is nickel 99. Oh. So the different color of flux may mean how the welding rod performs. So this is the welding rods that, this is a smaller packs of welding rods that Tractor Supply Company sells.